The stock market on a rocket ride, blasting through a ceiling and closing at an all-time high.
Cheers of joy on the trading floor.
The internet revolution and the rise and fall of the internet stock bubble has become one of the most dramatic business stories of our time. In April of 2000, the bubble burst when the NASDAQ collapsed and dozens of dot-coms folded, losing billions.
If I'd have taken your advice at any point in the last 2 or 3 years, I'd have lost a fortune.
A huge percentage of jobs created has been because of the housing boom, whether it's construction, whether it's mortgage.
Bear Stearns is fine. Do not take your money out. This is risk. If there's one takeaway other than that,
Today, with Wall Street shaken to its very foundation, $1 in market value today alone. The numbers even more dramatic when you're looking at the annual for 3 month period. There it is.